Hello guys, for today's video, this is a tutorial video so that everyone will be enlightened and to avoid the violation. Guys, reaction video here in Pixbook is allowed, but make sure that with meaningful enhancement, because same like this with our brother, if you insert only yourself, you did not do added meaningful enhancement, so it will be unoriginal limited videos, so that's the violation, and it will result a violation. So we need to be careful. So reaction video is allowed, but you need to added value meaningful enhancement. So what you need to do, for example guys, so in order to avoid the violation, if you are doing reaction video, mute the original video and explain what is in the video, add value added meaningful enhancement. So in that case, you will not get any violation and it's allowed with the Facebook community guideline. So if example, you just do only insert yourself in the video and you did not add meaningful enhancement on that video, you did not mute the video, so it will be duplicate content, and it will be duplicate content already exists in Facebook, and it will be no meaningful role creating, so it will cause an original content violation. So we need to be careful on that. So guys, I will give you example. This is my sister videos. Yes, has 1.5 million views, 1 million views, and 900 plus views. So she has a lot of views. She's doing only reaction video. So before on that, she got more violation because she's doing a reaction video. She is not mute original video. So I suggest her that mute the original audio and then add meaningful enhancement on that video. Explain what is on that video. Just explain, add meaningful enhancement. And after that guys, she follow what I said. She got a lot of views and there is no violation at all. So guys, make sure that you mute the original audio and put meaningful enhancement, explain what is in there on that video. So in that case guys, it's allowed with the Facebook guideline and you are not getting any kind of violation, okay? So make meaningful enhancement. You can use content that approved to use from source as long as you increase value through creative editing, voiceover, or commentary. This enhancement must be meaningful. Simply stitching together clips or adding watermark does not qualify as meaningful enhancement. So we need to make sure that, you know, with added value and meaningful enhancement so that it's allowed. So if in case you insert only yourself and you did not add meaningful enhancement value added and you did not mute the original audio, so it's good as duplicate content and it no meaningful enhancement at all, and it will cost you unoriginal limited content. So it's a violation. So we need to be careful guys. So I hope you understand. So next time if you want to do reaction video, so I suggest that mute the original audio and add meaningful enhancement and explain what is in the on that video so that, you know, the audience are enlightened. So what happened on that video, you need to explain. So in that case, you added the meaningful enhancement on that video and it's allowed with the Facebook community guideline to create reaction video. So guys, I hope you understand. And if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share for more update and tutorial. Thank you so much and have a nice day.